A new dimension option has been added for IronCAD 2020 to allow you to put overall dimensions on your views. This is useful primarily for bulk view creation, where you can set up your templates to have overall dimensions automatically created on the generation of your drawings. To enable these, go to any view or your templates for your bulk view creation, right-click on your view, go to Properties, and you'll see a new tab called Dimensions. In here, you'll see an option for maximum overall dimension settings, which you can enable the maximum height and the width and define where you would like those located. For example, on the bottom of the view, left or right of the view. You can define those and hit OK, and those dimensions will automatically appear for you. So once you save this as a bulk view creation drawing template, when you create new drawings from that template, that dimension will automatically be created based on the overall boundary or bounding box of your geometry, so that you have an overall size dimension. Very useful for sheet metal drawings, for example, where you can get a flat pattern view with the overall dimensions automatically already created for you. So a very handy tool to enhance both the bulk view creation and just general dimensioning on your views.